Hi students, welcome to Kagadiya Junior College online classes. Welcome to Maths 1B. So now 18th class. What is the running topic? Transformation of axis. Now we are continuing the problems. So now 7th question. When the axes are rotated through an angle 30 degrees, find the new coordinates of the following points. So there are three questions are there: 0, 5, minus 2, 4, 0, 0. Okay now? Observe carefully. See here. When the axes are rotated through an angle 30 degrees, find the new coordinates of the following points: 0, 5, minus 2, 4, 0, 0. Okay now? See the first problem. Here. What is the first problem? 0, 5. See, observe the question carefully. When the axes are rotated through an angle, how many degrees, sir? 30 degrees. Axes are rotated through an angle 30 degrees. So, find the new coordinates of the following points. So, we are finding the new coordinates. That's all. What is the given coordinates, sir? Which coordinates, sir? Old coordinates. Otherwise, original coordinates. Okay, now? We are finding which coordinates, sir? New coordinates. New coordinates are transformed coordinates. Both are same. Okay na? New coordinates are transformed coordinates. Both are same. Okay na? So here observe this one. Rotation of an angle is given. That's why this problem refers to the rotation of axis. Okay na? So we know the relation between the rotation of axis, the relation between the new coordinate system and old coordinate system. By using of this table, we can convert from one system to another system easily. Here we are writing theta, small x, small y. Here capital X, capital Y. Here cos theta. Here minus sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta. Sin theta, cos theta. Cos theta minus sin theta. Sin theta, cos theta. Okay now? So this is the, by using of this table we can convert from one system to another system. That is nothing but new coordinate system to old coordinate system, old coordinate system to new coordinate system. By using of this table we can convert the variables. A rotation of angle, what is given, sir? 30 degrees. What is our first problem? 0, 5. So see the solution. First we are writing rotation of angle. Rotation of angle. What is the rotation of angle? Theta is equal to 30 degrees. Rotation of angle theta is equal to 30 degrees. So we are finding which coordinates are? New coordinates. That's all. Given coordinates are old coordinates. So let capital X comma capital Y are the capital X comma capital Y are the new coordinates. New coordinates of which one, sir? Small x comma small y is equal to what is there? 0, 5. Now what is our question, sir? We are finding transformed coordinates. There is nothing but original variables we are expressing in the transformed variables. So that's why this x value we are writing in transformed variable. Okay na? So this original variables we are converting into transform variable. That's why we are finding which value? Capital X comma capital Y value. We want capital X comma capital Y value is required. We want capital X comma capital Y, we are taking vertical lines. We want small x comma small y, we are taking horizontal lines. So here capital X is equal to what is there here? X cos theta plus Y sin theta. Capital X is equal to X cos theta plus Y sin theta. Capital Y is equal to minus X sin theta plus what is there here? Y cos theta. Capital Y is equal to which one, sir? X into minus sin theta minus X sin theta. Y into cos theta, Y cos theta. Okay now? There is nothing but old coordinates we are expressing which one, sir? New coordinates. Capital X is equal to X cos theta. Here we want capital X value, we are taking vertical lines. We want capital Y value, so we are taking next vertical line. Capital X is equal to X cos theta plus Y sin theta. X cos theta plus Y sin theta. capital Y is equal to minus sin theta cos theta is there, minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. Okay now, here rotation of angle theta is equal to 30 degrees, x comma y equal to 0 comma 5. We are substituting theta comma small x comma small y values here. Capital X is equal to x cos theta. X is nothing but 0 into cos theta cos 30m plus y sin theta. Y is equal to what is the value? 5 into sin 30m. Okay na? Capital X is equal to 0 into what is the value of cos 30? Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2 plus 5 into sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, capital X is equal to what is the value? 5 by 2. Understand? Next, capital Y is equal to minus x sin theta. X is nothing but 0 into sin theta sin 30 plus y into cos theta. What is the y, sir? 5 into cos theta cos 30m. Okay na? Capital Y is equal to 0 into minus 30. So 0 plus 5 into cos 30. What is the value of cos 30, sir? Root 3 by 2. Capital Y is equal to 5 root 3 by 2. Capital Y is equal to 5 root 3 by 2. Capital X is equal to 5 by 2. Capital X is equal to 5 by 2. Capital Y is equal to 5 root 3 by 2. Therefore, capital X comma capital Y is equal to, here what is the number? 5 by 2 comma 5 root 3 by 2. Capital X comma capital Y is equal to 5 by 2 comma 5 root 3 by 2. These are the transformed coordinates of which one, sir? 0 comma 5. When the rotation of axis, what is given, sir? 30 degrees is given. Okay now, rotation of angle, what is given? 30 degrees. In that case, 5 by 2 comma 5 root 3 by 2 are the transformed coordinates. All of you write down the notes. So see the next question. Same question, 7th one, second one, minus 2 comma 4. Here same rotation of angle, which one, sir? 30 degrees. This problem also refers to the rotation of axis. Same, there is minus 2 comma 4. Do the third problem work. I am saying the second problem also. Okay now. Here rotation of angle. Rotation of angle. What is the rotation of angle, sir? Here theta is equal to what is given? 30 degrees. Rotation of angle theta is equal to 30 degrees. Okay na? Here we are taking capital X comma capital Y are transformed coordinates. Transformed coordinates of small x comma small y. Here small x comma small y, there is nothing but minus 2 comma 4. Okay now? Capital X comma capital Y are transformed coordinates of small x comma small y is equal to minus 2 comma 4. Here rotation of angle theta is equal to what is the value? 30 degrees. Okay na? See here also we know that the relation between the new coordinate system and old coordinate system as this. So the old coordinates we are expressing in terms of transformed coordinate. That's why capital X value we are writing. Capital X is equal to vertical line we are taking. Cos theta sin theta is there. X cos theta plus y sin theta. Here we are writing. We know that. So capital X is equal to what is the number? X cos theta plus y sin theta. Capital X is equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta. Capital Y is equal to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. Okay now? Capital Y is equal to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. Okay now? Observe carefully. Here in our question, rotation of angle is there. Must and should draw this table. If you are writing this table, you will get 1 mark in the public examinations. Okay now? So that's why always remember this table. So theta x y capital X capital Y cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Here now we are substituting these values in this equation. Capital X is equal to x cos theta minus 2 into cos theta cos 30 plus y sin theta. What is the y, sir? 4 into sin theta. That is nothing but sin 30. So minus 2 into what is the cos 30, sir? Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. 4 into sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay na? Here 2 cancel. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Then minus root 3 plus 2. Therefore capital X is equal to 2 minus root 3. What is the value of capital X? Capital X is equal to 2 minus root 3. Capital Y is equal to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. X is equal to minus 2. That is already minus of minus 2 into sin theta sin 30. Theta is equal to what is the value? 30 degrees. Y cos theta. Y is equal to what is the value? 4. 4 into cos 30. Capital Y is equal to minus of minus 2 means plus 2. Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 4 into what is the value of cos 30? Root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. 2 cancel. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Capital Y is equal to 1 plus 2 root 3. This is the value of which one? Capital Y. Capital Y is equal to 1 plus 2 root 3. Therefore, capital X comma capital Y is equal to 2 minus root 3 comma 1 plus 2 root 3. 2 minus root 3 comma 1 plus 2 root 3 are the which one, sir? Transformed coordinates of which one, sir? Minus 2 comma 4. These are the transformed coordinates. Always remember this one. Capital X comma capital Y are the transformed coordinates. Small x comma small y are the original coordinates or old coordinates. Okay na? So in our question rotation of angle is given, that's why this problem refers to the rotation of axis. So do this third problem homework. 0 comma 0 homework. Okay na? Same as it is like this problem. Write down all of you. See the next question. See here, when the axes are rotated through an angle 60 degrees, find the new coordinates of 3 points. So the new coordinates are not find. The new coordinates of the following the new coordinates of 3 points are following. These are the new coordinates. Find their original coordinates. Find their which one, sir? Original coordinates. Okay na? So see again, see the question. I am reading. When the axes are rotated through an angle 60 degrees, that is nothing but rotation of axis how many degrees, sir? 60 degrees. The new coordinates of 3 points are the following. New coordinates are given. These are the 3 new coordinates. Find their original coordinates. We are finding which one, sir? Original coordinates. Okay now? These given coordinates are new coordinates. We are finding which one, sir? Original coordinates. Original coordinates means small x comma small y. Given coordinates are which one are given, sir? The new coordinates are given, sir. These are the new coordinates means capital X comma capital Y are the new coordinates. So see the solution. Here first we are writing first problem. What is there, sir? 3 comma 4. Okay now? Here rotation of angle. Rotation of angle. What is the rotation of angle, sir? Theta is equal to 60 degrees. Okay now? Here what is given? Rotation of angle theta is equal to 60 degrees. Okay na? So find their original coordinates means we are finding small x comma small y. Let small x comma small y are the original coordinates. Original coordinates of which one, sir? Capital X comma capital Y. So given transformed coordinates. Given transformed coordinates. That is nothing but capital X comma capital Y. These are the transformed coordinates given. What is given, sir? 3, 4. Now we are finding x, y, small x, small y value we are finding. We know the relation between the new coordinate system and old coordinate system. By using of this table only we can find so new coordinates from new coordinate system to old coordinate system. So theta here small x, small y, capital X, capital Y. Here what is the number? Cos theta, here minus sin theta, cos theta. Cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta. Okay now? See here, observe carefully. So we want which ones are capital X, capital Y is there already given. We want small x, small y. We want small x value is required, small value is required. That's why we are taking which ones are horizontal line. Small x is equal to what is the number? Capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. Small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. Next small y is equal to capital X sin theta. Capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. Small y is equal to capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. Okay now? Rotation of angle theta equal to 60 degrees is given. Capital X, capital Y 3, 4. Small x is equal to capital X is nothing but 3 into cos theta. Theta is equal to 60 cos 60 minus capital Y. Capital Y is nothing but 4 into okay now sin theta, that is nothing but sin 60 So small x is equal to 3 into what is the value of cos 60, sir? Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2 minus 4 into sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Here small x is equal to what is the LCM value? 2 is the LCM value. 3 minus what is the number? 4 root 3. Small x is equal to 3 minus 4 root 3. Okay now? This is the small x value. Small y is equal to capital X sin theta. Capital X is nothing but 3 into sin theta. Theta is equal to what is the value? 60. Sin 60 plus capital Y. Capital Y is equal to 4 into cos theta. That is nothing but cos 60 Small y is equal to 3 into sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 plus 4 into cos 60 is equal to what is the value of cos 60, sir? 1 by 2. Here also what is the LCM value? 2 is the LCM. Here 3 root 3 plus 4. Therefore y is nothing but 4 plus 3 root 3 by 2. Small y is equal to 4 plus 3 root 3 by 2. Small x is equal to 3 minus 4 root 3 by 2. These are the original coordinates. That's why small x comma small y is equal to here 3 minus what is the number? 4 root 3 by 2. Okay na? 4 plus 3 root 3 by 2. These are the which ones are original coordinates. Small x comma small y. 3 minus 4 root 3 by 2. 4 plus 3 root 3 by 2. All of you read on this one. Next is see the second question. Same previous question, this question same. There is 1, 2, 3, 3 questions are there. So I am saying the second question also. Do this third problem overcome. Okay na? See here. What is the number? Minus 7 comma 2. So same question on rotation. Rotated through an angle of how many degrees? 60 degrees. The new coordinates of 3 points of the following. These are new coordinates are given. Find their original coordinates. We are finding original coordinates means small x comma small y we are finding. Okay now? So first one solution. Here rotation of angle. First we are writing which one, sir? Rotation. Rotation of angle. What is the rotation of angle, sir? Theta is equal to 60 degrees. So a given transformed coordinates. Transformed coordinates. There is nothing but capital X comma capital Y. transformed coordinates capital X comma capital Y is equal to minus 7 comma 2. Transformed coordinates minus 7 comma 2. Given transformed coordinates capital X comma capital Y is equal to minus 7 comma 2. See here, same question, previous question, this question same. Find their original coordinates. Is their original coordinates means small x comma small y. That's all. Given coordinates are transformed coordinates. What are the transformed coordinates? Capital X comma capital Y. Capital X comma capital Y is equal to minus 7 comma 2. Rotation of angle theta equal to 60 degrees. Okay now. Here we know that the relation between the new coordinate system and old coordinate system. This is there. Okay now. Here theta x y, capital X capital Y. Here cos theta minus sin theta. Here sin theta cos theta. Cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Okay now. So small x comma small y are the original coordinates. Capital X comma capital Y are the transformed coordinates. The transformed coordinates were converting into original coordinates. That's why we want small x comma small y values are required. Here let small x comma small y are original coordinates. Original coordinates of which one, sir? Capital X comma capital Y. Small x comma small y are original coordinates of which one? Capital X comma capital Y. Okay now. So here we know that which one we know, sir? Small x value, small y value we are writing. We want small x value, we are taking horizontal line. Small y also we are taking horizontal line. We know that small x is equal to capital X cos theta. Here y into minus sin theta minus y sin theta. Small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. Small y is equal to capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. Small y is equal to capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. Here rotation of angle theta equal to 60 degrees is given. Capital X comma capital Y equal to minus 7 comma 2. Small x is equal to capital X, what is there? Minus 7 into cos theta. Theta is equal to 60 cos 60 minus capital Y is equal to 2 into sin theta. That is nothing but sin 60. So small y is equal to capital X sin theta minus 7 into sin theta. That is nothing but sin 60 plus capital Y is equal to 2 into what is the value? Cos 60. 2 into cos 60 is there. Cos theta cos 60. Small x is equal to minus 7 into cos 60. What is the value of cos 60, sir? 1 by 2. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2 minus 2 into sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin 60 is equal to what is the value? Root 3 by 2. Here y is equal to minus 7 into sin 60. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. 2 into cos 60 is equal to what is the value of cos 60? Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Here small x is equal to what is the LCM value? 2. Here minus 7 into 1 minus 7 minus 2 root 3. Minus 7 minus 2 root 3 by 2. Okay na? Here small y is equal to what is the LCM value? LCM value is 2. Minus 7 root 3 plus 2. Minus 7 root 3 plus 2. Therefore y is equal to 2 minus 7 root 3 by 2. Small y is equal to 2 minus 7 root 3 by 2. Small x is equal to here what is the number? Minus 7 minus 2 root 3 by 2. Therefore small x comma small y is equal to minus 7 minus 2 root 3 by 2. Minus 7 minus 2 root 3 by 2. 2 minus 7 root 3 by 2. minus 7 minus 2 root 3 by 2, 2 minus 7 root 3 by 2. Small x comma small y. These are the which ones are original coordinates. All of right down. So do this third problem homework. What is the third problem? 2 comma 0. Same as this process. First one should do the third question. Third one 2 comma 0 is there. Do the problem homework. All of right down this one. Okay, now completed writing. So third problem, do this problem homework. So next class will be continued tomorrow. Okay, now. So dear students, master should maintain the fair notebook. Okay, now. Right.